Embark on your next adventure with confidence. Discover the must-have items that every savvy traveler needs. Heading out on a journey? Don't forget the essentials to make your trip smooth and memorable. Every traveler's kit varies, but there are universal must-haves for your packing list. Keep your devices charged and ready. Pack extra chargers and a backup for peace of mind. Traveling abroad? Remember a voltage adapter to stay connected, no matter where you are. In our digital age, don't overlook the importance of physical copies of crucial documents. Essential paperwork includes boarding passes, itineraries, hotel details, and your passport. Navigating health needs abroad can be tricky. Pack your daily medications to avoid language barriers. Include common meds like allergy relief, motion sickness pills, and painkillers in your travel kit. A compact first aid kit is your best friend for unexpected minor injuries or discomforts. Never underestimate a small, waterproof flashlight for those unexpected dark moments. With these travel essentials, you're set for a hassle-free and enjoyable journey. Be prepared, stay safe, and make unforgettable memories. For more travel tips and tricks, subscribe to Vacation Advertiser and embark on your adventures with confidence. Safe travels and unforgettable experiences await with the right preparation. Happy journeying.